In this video, I'm going to show you how to cite a Prezi presentation in APA the easy way so you can format your reference correctly and avoid common citation mistakes. Whether you're citing a presentation for a class paper, a project, or a research assignment, this step-by-step guide will help you build the citation in the right order using the correct APA format. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick academic formatting guides. Let's get into it. First, you need to identify the author of the Prezi presentation. In APA style, the author goes first, and if it's a person, you write the last name first, followed by initials. So for example, if the presenter is John Smith, you would write Smith, J. If the presentation was created by an organization or company instead of an individual, then you use the full name of that organization as the author. This first part is important because APA references always start with the author or creator. Next, look for the date on the Prezi page. APA wants the exact publication date if it's available, so check the presentation details carefully. If you can see the full date, include it in parentheses in the correct format. If only the year is listed, then just use the year. And if there is no date at all, use ND, which stands for no date. This keeps your citation accurate even when the source does not show a publication date. After that, write the title of the presentation. In APA, the title should be italicized, and only the first word of the title and subtitle should be capitalized. That means you should use sentence case, not title case. So instead of capitalizing every major word, keep it simple and only capitalize the first word and any proper nouns. This is one of the most common places people make mistakes, so take your time here. Then, include the source website. For a Prezi presentation, the platform publisher is simply Prezi. You do not need to add extra words or overcomplicate this part. Just make sure Prezi appears after the title in the reference entry. Finally, paste the direct view link URL to the presentation. Make sure you use the actual presentation link, not a shortened version or a general homepage link. And in APA format, do not place a period after the URL. That final detail matters because punctuation after a link can break the citation. So when you put everything together, your APA reference should follow this order: author, date, italicized title in sentence case, Prezi, and then the direct URL. If you're working from a presentation with no author, no date, or an organization as the creator, adjust the citation based on what's available, but keep the same APA structure. A quick tip, always double check the Prezi page before you finish because the author name, date, and title should match what appears on the presentation itself. That's the easiest way to make sure your citation is clean, correct, and ready to use in your reference list. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more APA citation tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.